Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SAP Concur how to add credit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Adding a credit card in SAP Concur mobile is simple and easy. Simply head over and open up the app, and in order to add a credit card in SAP Concur mobile, what you can do in the app is you can directly add a link to credit card from your mobile app itself. The app shows expenses imported from cards already linked by your company or personal profile. In order to create your card link, what you can do is simply contact your company's finance, IT or Concur administrator and request to link your company or personal credit card for auto import of transactions. You can also do it via SAP Concur web portal by simply heading over and opening up your browser, and then on the search bar type in Concur Solutions and then simply tapping on the first thing that is shown to you. Then once logged in to your profile, simply tap on your profile icon and go to the credit card or payment methods. And once done, simply tap on the plus icon if you want to add a new one, or if you want to edit it, simply tap the selected credit card and follow the prompts to add or edit for transaction imports. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.